Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in basic technology, we are going to be looking at electrical measurement. Okay, our topic for today in basic technology is on electrical measurement. Are you ready for the lesson? Okay. Electrical measurement means figuring out things like how much electric flow there is, the electric force, the resistance to that flow, and how fast electric energy is used. Okay? We use tools like moving coil meters and watt meters to measure these electrical properties. Okay? Do we understand that? Electrical measurement is how much electrical stuff is flowing. That is the current, the electrical force, how strong the push is, voltage, how much the flow faces obstacles, resistance, okay? And how fast electrical energy is used, power. So first we're going to be looking at the ways of electrical measurement, okay? Like we mentioned, the current, voltage, resistance, power. So those are the ways of electrical measurement. Then we're going to be looking at types of electrical measurement devices. Okay, so we're going to be starting with current. Current. This is a flow of electric charge. It's like the flow of water in a river, but with electric charges in a wire. The unit of measurement is the ampere. Current, measuring the flow of electric charge, okay? Current is the flow of electric charge in a circuit. Do we understand? Okay, that is good. Voltage. Voltage, often referred to as electric potential difference, is the measure of the electric force that pushes electric charges through a conductor like a wire. It's similar to the pressure in a water pipe that drives the flow of water. Voltage is measured in volts. In simpler terms, is the push that makes electric charges move in a circuit. Okay? Do we understand? Voltage is the push in a circuit. Okay? Think of this as the electrical push that makes current flow, measured in volts. Okay, do we get that? Voltage is a way of electrical measurement, okay? Measuring the electrical potential difference or push in a circuit. Do we understand? Good. Resistance. Remember, we're looking at the ways of electrical measurement, right? Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current in a circuit. It's like obstacles or hurdles in the path of electric charges moving through a wire. Resistance is measured in ohms. The higher the resistance, the more difficult it is for the electric current to flow. Do we understand? Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current. It's like the obstacles in the path of a river, okay? Is the opposition to the flow of electric current. The obstacles in the way. That is what we mean, okay? Understanding resistance helps us control and regulate the flow of electricity in a circuit. Power. Power in the context of electricity refers to the rate at which energy is transferred or the rate at which work is done in an electrical circuit. It's measured in watts. Essentially, power tells us how fast electrical energy is used or produced. Okay? So power is the rate at which energy is transferred or the rate at which work is done. Do we get that? It's how fast electric energy is used. Okay, power tells us how fast you are using electrical energy. It's measured in watts. Do we get that? So the ways of electrical measurement involves current, voltage, resistance, and power. Okay? So next we're going to be looking at moving coil meter. This is a type of electrical measurement device. Okay? We have the moving coil meter and the watt meter. There are types of electrical measurement devices. Okay? So first we're going to be looking at moving coil meter. Moving coil meter is a device that uses a coil of wire placed in a magnetic field to measure electric current. When current flows through the coil, it experiences a force and moves, indicating the amount of current. This type of meter is commonly used to measure and display current in electrical circuits. Do we understand that? Moving coil meter is a tool used to measure electric current, okay? When current flows through the coil, it experiences a force that makes it move. Okay? This movement is used to show the amount of current in the circuit. Do we understand that? Moving coil meter is a device that uses a coil of wire in a magnetic field to measure electric current. Okay? Are you getting it? It's like an electric traffic watcher, okay? When there's current flowing, a coil inside moves. And by watching this movement, you can figure out how much current is flowing in the circuit. So it's a tool that helps us measure and understand electric currents. Okay? Good. Watt meter. Remember, watt meter is also a type of electrical measurement devices, okay? A watt meter is like an electric detective. It helps figure out how fast we are using and making electricity in a system. So it tells us about the power measured in watts, which is like the speed of electrical energy. The watt meter is a tool that measures the rate of which electrical energy is used or produced in a circuit. Okay? Do we understand? is a tool that helps measure electrical power. It's like a speedometer for electricity, okay? Telling you how fast energy is used or produced in a circuit. And the unit of measurement is watts. Okay? Do you understand? Watt meter. You can think of it as an electricity speedometer, okay? It shows you how fast you are using or making electrical energy in a circuit. So it helps you keep tabs on the power and is measured in watts. Okay? Good. So today's lesson on electrical measurements, we understood it, right? We said electrical measurements involves current, flow of electric charge, right? We looked at it. Voltage, electric potential difference. We said that. Resistance, opposition to current, and power, rate of energy transfer, right? Then we looked at the types of electrical measurement devices, right? We mentioned the moving coil meter, a tool used to measure electric current, right? Then the watt meter, another tool that measures electrical power. So we understood everything. Good. So next we're going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.